Hello everybody, it is Tuesday, November 9th. So our do now is if you could visit any country in the world, where would you want to visit? I still think I'd like to visit Russia. I think it would be cool to see St. Pete's Square. So that would be my choice. Tell me yours. Share with your neighbor. Pause the video. Share with your family. Question number 2 is which organism in the food chain shown above competes for the same food source in this environment? So, who competes where? So, here's the snake. He eats, and the snakes and the frogs both get eaten by hawks. But what we're asking about is which one competes for the same food source? So grasshoppers and snakes. Well, grasshoppers are snakes' food, so no. Hawks and frogs. Well, hawks, let's see. No, I don't think so, because the frog and the snake are competing for the hawk. The frog and the snake? Well, the grasshopper is food for both the frog and the snake. That would work. And decomposers and the grasses. I don't know, because it doesn't show the decomposer coming back to the grass. So I think our best answer would be frogs and snakes. So today we're going to be talking about how to evaluate relationships in food webs and energy pyramids. I will be reviewing the role of succession in an ecosystem, and I can evaluate these relationships based on the food web, predict the changes in populations based on a food web, identify and define the two types of succession, and describe similarities and differences in succession, and give characteristics. So today we're going to be working with a Pear Deck, and you'll be provided with the link. So the first thing you would do is, first thing on this slide is watch the TED Ed about dead stuff. You click here in the center, watch the video, read the bottom of the slide right here, where it says remember this, and as you're going to do this, you're going to review how food chains, food webs, and energy pyramids work. So then we come down here, and we have another one of these. This is a Pear Deck multiple choice slide. Your currently options are your cactus and your grass. Who are the producers? Well, you have some options, and you're going to click on that and edit, and then you're going to go back to the student section in the sidebar to edit your choice. So there you go. You're going to complete, there's about 12 slides. At the very end, there's an opportunity, I'm not going to show you them all, to review, and then we're going to look at our exit ticket. Perry applied a small amount of liquid between his dog's shoulder blades each month. This liquid helped prevent insects from bothering his dog. Later, the liquid does not keep the fleas off his dog. What is the likely cause of the change? The fleas survived the exposure to the liquid, once have produced offspring that are resistant. The weather changed, and there are more fleas in Perry's yard. This liquid has changed over the dog's fur. Now the liquid is absorbed into the fur rather than staying on the skin. Perry gives his dog a bath after applying the liquid, and the liquid is not able to correctly work. So we're going to look at that, think about that. Again, if you go back to your top of your Schoology page, you can click on your Socrative, and you'll just drop in A, B, C, or D for your teacher. All right, have a great day. Hope you had fun completing today's Pear Deck.